Good morning, my friends, and welcome to the Breakfast Club. My name is Darren Hancock, and here we are live from Toronto, my friends, live from Toronto. We are in the land of Hadi and the master trader that he is. So I'm excited to meet him. We're going to be meeting up with him on Friday, I think it is. Friday in the afternoon, him and our Margit. I think that's what we're saying. So I kind of hope, kind of looking forward to the big meetup this week. But until then, let's get started. Let's have a look at what the markets have in store for us today. Um, let's just make sure we are live. I'm just double checking my channel here. Got my iPad going now, so there we be. We are live. Okay, gotcha. All right, so let's have a look at where we're at here for. We just got to bump off this level here. See if we can climb back through this premium array up here. And then we're looking for 014, this midnight open candle. So we can find some support off this consolidation here. Now I don't want to see this get much lower than that. I'd like to see this piece stay open. I guess we could get all the way back into 894. Let's see if we can march higher than that. I think I heard a rumor something about the he was scaling back on his tariffs, which the market is suddenly having a response. Strangely enough, it sees a tendency. So we'll see if the market gives us a continuation to the upside. of it today. On the 15-minute here, we've got a little fair value gap forming right in here. All the way down to this candle's mean threshold. Got to get a body close above here first. From a 15-minute perspective, that is. I would like to see the hourly get back above this fair value gap on a close, take out this high and run all the way back into this premium portion right here. If we're going to run higher. If we're going to run lower, you would expect that price would get down we get through this mean threshold on a close. We're way through here now. And we filled this up, so it doesn't look good. Kamal, good morning. Shepard, good morning. Neck surgery. Oh, Shepard, man, that sucks. Oh, are they doing disc replacement? Are they doing just removing some burrs? Or are they working on that other thing we talked about? So you have a discount array right here. We'll see if that eats through here. I really hope it goes well for you, Shepard. Sorry to hear that, man. It gives me cringes when I hear that. Surgery, neck surgery. I hope that you pull through, my friend. Hope everything works out well for you. Our fingers are crossed and our prayers are with you, my friend. Oh, they're freezing the nerves. Pele's the bones in the neck. Oh God, that does not sound fun at all. Well, I hope you get some relief, my friend. Yeah, I'm moving around a lot better now. I tell you, those steroids, I haven't felt so good after since those steroids, but I got this constant ringing in my ears, which is nothing compared to what you have to go through, my friend. But I really, my thoughts are with you for sure. Hope that everything goes well for you. Good morning, Paulette. Morning, Abs. Please let us know how that goes, Shepard. Worried about you, man. Let's put in the 830 candle here. I don't want to see this get back above this level here. Don't see it get back through this candle. We've already come back and tapped this. We've come back inside this. I don't want to see us get back above here on a close now, so that's where my stop will be. And I obviously don't want to see this reversal coming into fruition, otherwise we can come deeper into this range here. So I want to see that just close below here. And then continue going lower. "15 surgeries, wow." Well, I hope it goes well, Shepard. Lyme disease, tell you, that's a real brutal. Another friend who's got that. If they don't catch it right away, it's a lifetime problem. So prayers are with you, Shepard. Let's see if we can't get a continuation here. I'm gonna go stress-free on this trade. We'll just put this down to our partials. Take partials as we go here. So as it's the bottom of that, there's a partial there. Margit, how are you doing this morning? Take another one there. After that, I don't like seeing it coming back through the mean threshold of this candle. I want to see it hold there. How did you choose your take profit? Do you use Fibonacci extensions? No, I just, as soon as I take out a low, take a partial, and then take out another low, take a partial. And higher time frame, we're looking for right near the bottom of that fair, daily fair value gap anyway. And then my upside is I don't want to see this candle. I could see it tap it, I'd be okay with that. But as soon as it started climbing through, it's like, no, that candle should hold price, right? So it's like this. If we have a body that trades below it, then it trades back into it. You want to see it hit it and pull away from it right away, like this candle you see right here. See that candle's a bull candle, trades down, comes back into it, taps it, and then quickly pulls off of it and then keeps going lower, right? So I want to see that same thing here. Tap it, and I want to see it come down. I don't want to see it climbing through the mean threshold because then it says I'm not acting the way Darren wants me to act. So I'm going to bail on that trade. Take your couple of thousand, whatever we made in profit there, and then move to the sidelines and wait because right now it's not acting the way I want it to act. So now that it's validated this candle from above and it's come back, found support at it, it's coming back inside this range here. So we have an upside right here, and we have this as well. So that's why it's got to act the way you want it to act. If you guys bend the knee to it, then it will destroy you. So you gotta say, no, I'm not willing for this to act anything different than what I'm expecting. If it violates my rule, then I'm out. And you gotta stick to your rules. Otherwise, you'll blow your account. You'll just keep saying, oh, I'm gonna be flexible on this rule, flexible on this rule. It's an inflexible market. It will beat you up. It will not cow. It will not bow to your convictions. It will just run right through them if you don't hold true to them. So you must hold true to your convictions. So right now there's nothing in here. We're just looking at a internal range liquidity hunt if that's where you were going, but I don't have anything in here I'd even hunt for, so I wait. So I'm looking at this and this level right here. If we start marching through this level and using this as support, then I'm looking for this to go higher into the range, and you've got 845 or so. One of my rules is as soon as I take out a low, you pay yourself at a low, no matter what, or a regular or rejection block, I should say. Either one of those two. If you're this close to it and you're already inside the rejection block and you just entered it, let's say you got in right here and you got down to here, you pay yourself, you're inside the rejection block, so you just pay yourself at the low. So we're back up into a level that would provide support. I like that. So if we just kept coming down from here, I'd like to see that start coming down. If we close above this level, at 810, if we close above that on a close, then I'm going to wait for market structure shift. On a 1 hour chart, we have got equal lows below us, and we've got a return back up into this level. Its consequent encroachment has been hit already. So I'd like to see this just roll over here now and take another dive down. Right there. Nope, wrong side. Closing above here. Watch this level here now. We've got a swing point, got a fair value gap. See the body, get above here and here. You're in the maximum part of this small range here, and you hit the premium. You want to see if that premium would hold price and start coming back down to at least 50%. It didn't do it. So now we're looking for this to close above this level. We haven't quite wicked above here yet, so that's good. Let's see that close there. Good. Now come down and give it a little tap before you take the high. Take that one there. And then the stop loss will go just below that level there. And we're looking for take profit up here. Now if you pull your fib tool from if this is price action is not acting the way you want it to act, then there's 50% of it right there. I don't want to see us get below this level and this level on a close. That's why my stop loss is sitting down here. And now I want to try and get back up into this box up here, which is anywhere inside that premium range. So now you can pull your, oops, there's 50% up there. So you got to be above this level. So I'll use the fib tool, cam model, or the model 1 profit model to manage this. And that's typically what you want to see for your model, how you want your model to act. And now you want to see a body get above here on a close, which you do have a close here. You want to see this give some support now and get out of here. You don't want to see it waffling around in here. So again, you want to see price action acting the way you want it to act. So now I'm going to move into break even because I don't want to see it come back through this candle. I want to see it just leave from here now. It's not acting the way you want it to act, so look for a retap in this level one more time. Back to this order block. See, I don't like all this. Tap it once and go. Step back to this imbalance here. Find support off the top of that and go. I like right there. Again, we'll be sitting down in here. No, you don't want to see this. You're right back inside this level again. Literally right close to my stop there. See this retapping stuff? That's not what you want to see. I'm out. I'm not gonna wait for that. You're back inside this one. If you're still inside here, got a body above here. I guess you could look at this whole candle and a half just below the wick, but it's done its thing here. It's got to get out of here. So we'll just kind of watch it right now. Morning, Lambo. Darren, look at the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart. Yeah, there's not even, I don't even see anything of Flavor Flav in here. I like this immediate rebalance. We've traded above it, we've tapped it, so you'd want to see that climb higher now from here. Keep coming. Give us that level now. I like this retap. Start going higher. I'm filled this morning, caught a British pound. You're pounded down on the British pound. All right, up into London from bed, woke up to a wealth of USD dropping on my wife, and it was a beautiful thing. Good morning, all. Excellent morning after big move. What's the boss say? Kind of feels like ES on the daily says it needs to take out the low from yesterday. Smooth becomes jagged. I like this upside. I am moving my stop loss into profit now. I kept this one on in my live trade and or got out here and then got back in right there. So I should have taken that one in front of you guys too. There's the premium array we're looking for, 62%. Let's see if this 50 holds. Where's our 830 candle? Did we put our 830 on here? No, we did not. 830. Let's see if that one holds now. Let's take Hadid's 830. I don't want to see it get back below this level here. I don't want to see this candle get taken on the downside. We have a small little imbalance right here. I'm allowing it to come back into 50% or more, which is right where your 830 is. Let's see if that holds. And we go skyward from here. Looking for these relative equal highs above us and this midnight open candle. I'm just going to go to break even. Let's see if that it's a zero stress trade, right? So if it comes back against this, it's already tapped the 830, so do your thing. Leave from here. All right, well, that's not acting the way we want it to act, so you just want to see that tap this and leave, right? It's retapping. Not what we're looking for. It's a bit too choppy now, so I'm just going to sit on the sidelines and wait for a better setup. So as soon as we see the structure, a little shift here, mean threshold, we traded below this level, support in here. Let's see if that keeps coming lower now. So watch this doesn't turn into a bear trap. You've got, now that you've traded deep inside this small little range here, and you've got this reversal, or this change in direction here, body traded below it, you went above it again, now you've gone below it, and you've gone below this one. Come back, find support at this, you want to keep coming lower. If not, then this becomes the bear trap right here. You have to get a body below here, so all you've got is just a change in direction here. So confirmation is when you drop below here, then you start looking at a larger range here, like a rebalance area to aim for. So just be careful of those bear traps and bull traps, and understand when you're reaching in for this discount here and you want to go lower, uh, you're paying a discount hoping, or buying a discount hoping to get it back at even lower price. So as soon as it takes out that low, pay yourself, move to break even in case it turns on you again. You want to see it come down lower. See how we're just wicking here? We're not actually taking a body below here. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the rest of these. These are obviously not a big deal for most of you guys. Nobody even mentioned, hey, aren't you giving us a rundown on the rest of the charts? It's more for me than anything else, I suppose. Where are we sitting for our hourly? You got relative equal highs above you, relative equal lows below you. Now you want to see if we can see what I mean. Bear trap. Traded back through our level again. Now it's running right back up into this premium box right here. So if that's not holding, and you've got a body that closes above this one, then continue to the upside, mean threshold, keep going higher. Well, that has taken out all the lows, and you've had a nice reaction off that now. Lower time frames, you're looking for a reversal. 15-minute, 5-minute, this 1 minute, nothing on 5 and 1. Get a body above here, find some support at this, start pushing higher. Get a body above here on the Dow Jones, look for it to run to the premium ray, get through that and start looking higher. Nice work, Derek. Changing direction, trade below it, trade back inside it, run the range out low, run the next range out low, come back, tap it, start coming lower. So looking for lower prices in there, all the way down to, oh, it's already hit that already. So as soon as it takes out this low, look for mean threshold and then the old low here. Euro. Euro's come right up to that premium. Traded through it, it's right back up to the top of it here. So if it trades through that on the close and you want to go short, then you're on the wrong side of it. Before it takes out your stop loss, close your trade out, and then you can get long again. So watch that one right there. You don't even want to see it popping up in there. I want to see that just freeze right there. Start coming lower. Oil. These are all April contracts. Gotta change these over. CL. I do like oil to get back into. See if it holds there. Good. Let's go on higher. So you want to see it hold right there off that premium box we traded above it, come back inside it, look for range extension. Um, and then look up here somewhere. If you trade below that, you're back inside this range. See this retracement? You want to see it just tap the top of this or the high, the open here. I don't want to see this retap and stuff. Unless it becomes an immediate rebalance and turns into a wick, not interested. And then, what else we got here? Ooh, come on, Canada, let's go. 71 cents. Wow. Let's get up there. Let's go to a little, let's get back inside that range. Let's get up around 74, 75 cents. That'd be nice to see. Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin up to? Bitcoin gave you a reversal right here. Traded below it, came back into it perfectly here. Drop below the order block, pay yourself here. Small change in direction, does not have a body close above it. You have a body close below it, you come back inside it, and you run all the way back down to the rejection block again. You back up. So now you're just kind of sideways here. I want to see if this closes above here and takes out this high. Use these two candles for support to come back into this range. Otherwise, if we take out this low, look for a deeper run back into this candle's 25-50% consequent encroachment, and see if that holds to go higher. On the hourly, gold, let's have a look what gold's up to. Three more minutes. Gold could see another run on its high here. It's got to close today above 3132. So it is here on the hourly, and it's finding support at that, so we're looking for higher prices on the hourly level. That's already traded above that level. So if you stay above 31.18 on a close on the hourly, I'd like to see that keep climbing higher. It's taking out the high now, so you want to see it at least come back into 31.32 on a tap and then go higher. What's Disney up to? Oh, Walter Disney. Look at that. Geez, did we actually predict that? And then the rollover, it actually did what we wanted it to do. When did we do that? Holy smokes. We practically called this one. That must have been the last time I had my laptop out. I must have been in Winnipeg or something like that. That's crazy. All right, well, that worked out. And now you got Disney. Let's get rid of that. Ran the lows, $88. It ran up to $94. So look at that, from $80 to $90. There's a good 10% run in 2 days there. Wow. Okay. Now, if you can get back into 83.31 or 86.03, we could have a deeper run back into this range here now. Got nothing for that one just yet. Wheat futures. You're into the midpoint of that equilibrium, so nothing here. Soybeans needs to find support in here, take out this candle's high, and use this candle and that fair value gap as support to go higher. You can come all the way down to 30 or 340. Cotton's in its premium right now, so if that closes above its level, next little push up here, 67, 68. If that rolls over there, you're between 66, 67, 68 and 64, 62. Find some support here. I want to see live cattle kick off of here. Leave this portion open. We can come all the way back into 194.95. I want to see that leave go higher. Lumber. These are a bunch of other ones I had sitting in here. ICAD. That was the downside objective. It's hit. Now I want to see if it kicks out of here. Gives you a reversal. That's good. Let's go. They get a little bit of good news and look how quickly they respond, hey? I just want to see that, sorry. This headphone set's digging into my head. These are all good things here. I like this. Okay, let's get back over here. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, we're sideways. How does silver look? I don't think I have silver on this computer. Let's have a look. You're long in silver right here? Oh, that's Ford. Yep. Good for you, Craig. Yeah, I like silver too, right there. If you bought it right here, man, you're learning. You're picking it up. If you bought anywhere inside this box to here, trade it above it, come back to it perfectly there, go long. As soon as it takes that high, move to break even, pay yourself, and let the rest run. If you can get back into, well, you got to get through this breaker here, or this mitigation block here first, and then up into this breaker. We can get through this breaker, look for upside. You'd be looking for here to here first. And then there, and then there. Those are all hopeful. Obviously, you got to get through mitigation, breaker, and then the next breaker above you. So you got these two breakers in a mitigation block. Morning, Stephen. Take care, Derek. Yeah, it's not good price action right now. Trade through this. You don't get a short off of here. We don't have a first presentation fair value gap yet. Oil gave you a nice one here for continuation on the downside into this level we're looking at here. Looking for that to go lower, and it's coming into that box we're looking for. I was telling you about the consequent encroachment of that box. That's right there. It's just hitting it now at 59.01, and 59.01 puts you right here. So we'll see if this holds. We just tap it, a little wick down into 50% of that, and then turn around and start going back up. You look for a reversal. So now you're hunting for reversal opportunities anywhere inside here now at the 50%, no more than 75%, which is an old high. You do not want to see it loses its so great a response. You're not looking for a refill here. I'm just looking for a little tap there and for it to leave and go. Barcoding, I like it. That's a good way to call it. Barcode. Stay out of the barcode. Is that your analogy or your phrase, turn of phrase there, Chris? Barcoding. I like it. See if the 830 candle, look at that 830 just holding that price, hey? Did you get short on there at all, Hadi? That's a lot of bashing around in there. I need a coffee. Do you know where that hotel is, Hadi, where I told you? I don't know how far away from your place that is, but hmm. Yeah, you got it. Okay, good. No worries. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you too, man. It's gonna be fun. Hadi's got the. I think you and Hadi are chatting, are you not? He has the address there. I don't know the actual address of the place. All I, all I know is it's the Homewood Inn and Suites. Yeah, nothing there so far, hey? Well, there's one on the 1 minute. It's a small little guy there. This little fella right here. I don't know why he's got it from here to here. You take this guy over here. It's a hard to read day today. I'll send it to you on the Telegram there, Marjit. I sent it to you on Telegram there, Marjit. Nice blue buses coming. Little tap. Based on ITC's recent video, is that not a legit first fair value yet uh, because it's in the shadow of the balanced price range candles just to the left. Don't know. I don't know that rule. Let's see if it holds. Cheese grater. Yeah, it's an inside smash day, man. Already got a wick through it, so it's not a strong support level if it is. Making barcodes. A lot of chop going on here. See if we can find a different asset class that gives us something smoother to trade. So we're below the consequent encroachment already. Nothing supporting a run higher yet. So in terms of your graded response, you don't have a nice strong kick off of here. We're still losing ground, so coming back to these old highs here at 57.76 is the next upside I'm looking for, or downside I should say. 57.76. See how that goes. Bitcoin gave you a nice opportunity to get through a trade there. further downside on Bitcoin. I'd like to see this level hold on Bitcoin right now. Nope. Even if it trades a wick through that, I'm not impressed right now. Next one's above. Super choppy day, guys. Super choppy day. Let's see if we takes out the low. Just wick through here. Body didn't even break above that. Looking for a deeper run down into here now. Looking for 50% of the wick here, or this box in here. Look around there somewhere. If you get a body through here, see how this reversal is already happening here. It's a super choppy day. Go back to sleep, my Maggie. There's no trades here for you. Don't wake up, man. Just go back to bed. Mags, you don't want to be in this trade. Kind of garbage day today. We finally got to run below this level, come back, give it a little tap. If we can get back up to 72, all the way to 775. Look for a retap of this low, and the body. And see if you can get some support off of that. And then you're just looking for this to come lower. Nice. Right off the bottom of this one here. That'd be nice if it just took off from here, went straight down. April 4th, 1 a.m. candle. I got you. 569. Yeah, if you lose 569, if you pound below 569 on a close and come back into that April 4th candle right here, you can get below that and come back into it. Then we're looking for a deeper dive into here. That's the kind of Hadi style laser eye surgery reward you're looking for. Nice job, Hadi. We'll be back at 11. Talk to you later, Hadi. Price action like this. I trade one account at a time. It is a mental workout. Oof, man, it's tiring. So much more fun when it's actually moving the way you want it to move instead of all this chop stuff. Yeah, this is a Clearly not the kind of stuff we're interested in playing in. Could we play in gold? Well, now, is Disney nice there? Is that a nice little run? See how that body gets above this level? You're looking for a deeper run into this range here. Fair value gap. Candle to the left, the bullish candle to the left. Trades above it, comes back to it, continues going higher. It's a swing point. So when you talk about bear traps and bull traps, if there's a swing point here, this is the new thing we talked about this morning. If there's a swing there that involves this order block, you can key off of it to go higher inside the range. So look at your inside of the range, use your fib tool until you clear out the range. You got to do the internal range liquidity hunt. So if you're off this candle and you're going to 50% pay yourself, 62% pay yourself, and you don't get up to 70, it just comes back down, takes you out at 50. Because if you're on the wrong side of it, like if you get on the wrong side of this at 87.52, and you look for a run down below the lows. So we get a body break this candle's high back into this range. Reversal. No body goes above it. Change in direction, internal range liquidity. That doesn't even make it at 50 though. Not clean at all. You'd be better off to wait to the afternoon, my friends. I got nothing for you because I'm not going to take anything in here. This is all just crappy price action. So we wanted the euro to go down, did we not? Below that point. We took this one out on the upside. I think we were looking for it just tapping off of here. Came back up, closed above it right there. Came back inside it. Extended the range. Look for this candle. If we close below it, back into it. Before taking that out, look for a run back down to this level. Well, I got nothing for you guys. It's just a chop festival in here. It's one of those ones where you just kind of move to the sidelines. I'm going to go do some painting. This is not a place to bash your mind around in this stuff right now. So um, take a break, wait to the afternoon, and don't keep giving away your money in here. If you're trading this and you're catching anything, you're quite lucky. Otherwise, don't beat yourself up in this market because you're just looking for some heavy duty heartache there, man. If that makes sense to you guys. Yeah, if you're gonna throw your money away, or if you're gonna gamble in this kind of environment, you want to be playing in one account, not all 19 of them. That's for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go. There's not much here. Wait for the afternoon, or there's nothing clean in here right now. It's what, 8? What time is it now? 10 o'clock? 10:18? 10:19. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till after lunch and see if I can see something. If I'm sticking around here, I will see you guys. I'll pop back on this afternoon, give you an afternoon session. Uh, I'm not going anywhere anyway, so I'm going to be sticking around here. I might go over to the mall there, walk around for a bit, and I'll come back after lunch, and I'll see you guys then. Until then, be safe. Don't participate in this if you're looking to lose your money. It's really choppy. Hard, even for me, it's hard to read this right now. It feels like it wants to go deeper into this consequent encroachment of this range here, but how it's going to go about getting there, painful. It's painful. It's going back and forth. You have to be trading on a higher time frame stuff like 5 minute, 15 minute, and make sure you're, look at that, even 5 minutes choppy. 15 minute. Look at the wicks in there. Yeah, you don't want to be beat up in that for sure. So it feels like it wants to go lower. but it's not giving it to you in a nice clean way. That's all. So wait for the days that it does. That's all I can say. So with that, I will see you guys either this afternoon or